Good morning, everyone. It's Monday. I'm hoping that everyone did okay during this hurricane. Going to go over a new topic today. Of course, a few reminders. Um, we do have a test this week. The test window is from Wednesday to Friday. Friday, it should close around 2 p.m. So please make sure you do the test. I'll let you know when the test opens, and you just go in there, take it, make sure it's done by Friday, okay? Only one attempt. Okay, so let's start. Let's refresh our brains. Let's make sure we remember. This is the same type of concept, solving linear equations, and this is with one solution. Tomorrow we're going to go over two more types of solutions, but today is only one, so that means we have one answer. Okay, so we want to do what we did last time in inequalities. We want to start with the border. Mr. Ramirez, but that's an equal sign. Is there any difference? No, there's no difference at all. We're going to do the same exact things that we did in this last topic, but with the equal sign to make our life a lot easier. We don't have to do any flipping. We don't have to do anything else except just solve, solve, solve. So it should be hopefully a little easier for some of us. Let's do it. Second step, distribute. Who do I use to distribute? Ask yourself. We're looking at the parentheses. What number do I use? -6. Distribute means to multiply. -6 times 1. I need to remember to put in that calculator. I'll try and do that today. -6 times 1 is -6. -6 times a -5, positive 30v. And then we just go ahead and bring down our 54. Need all my variables on the left side. I have a variable there, that's okay. Anything over here? No, so the 30v is by itself, but I do need to move over that -6. -6 is a regular integer number, coefficient, constant, whatever you want to say. Move it over, becomes a +6. Don't forget that. Cross it out. Bring everything down. 30v doesn't have anybody. This is really easy to add. If you don't know, use your fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 60. And my last step, divide. Ask yourself, who do I need to divide by? I remember I was tutoring somebody, very awesome job. I was saying, hey, whatever is in front of the variable, that's who you're going to divide by. No worries, no questions asked. Put the 30 right there on the bottom. That's my denominator. Boom. 30 divided by 30, that gives me 1v. 60 divided by 32, equal sign. Remember, I don't need that 1 anymore, so my answer is v equals 2. That's it. That's the easier problem, of course. We're going to do one more, or I'm going to let you do one, and then we'll do one more part of the video, and that's it. Remember, don't forget, if you need additional help, please come to my tutoring hours. Tutoring hours. Sir, but I don't know when your tutoring hours. Go to the home page. Tutoring hours, home page. Oh, shoot. Home page. And you'll see right there, there's a click here button that'll take you directly to me. So if you need additional help, please go to the click here. You'll see the times posted, and you should be good to go. All right, let's do the next example. I'll leave the tutoring hours there. Sir, what time are your tutoring hours? I honestly don't know. You have to go to the home page and check. I think it's at right now at 7:15 to 8:45. That's the longest one. And then I have office hours. Office hours, you can visit me too. And the other tutoring hours is at 1:30, I believe. But go ahead, stop, pause the video, look at the problem, try it on your own, and I'll help you work out through it in a little bit. -8 parentheses, a lot of negatives. -8x minus 6. Oh, I didn't do the read part last time. We'll do the end this part, no worries. -6x minus 22. All right. Pause the video, give yourself a couple minutes, and I'll start right when you resume the video. Okay, let's get this started. Starting with the border. Doing this on your own, you should know that the first step after the border is to distribute. We're taking care of the parentheses. Are there any parentheses over here? No, so don't worry about anything multiplying over there. But here we do need to do it. -8. Show multiplication. -8 times -8, that is positive 64x. Next one, -8 times -6. Help me out there. I think that is positive 48. Good job so far. So we did this side. Let's go ahead and bring everything else down. Okay, remember here we do want to move variables to the left, constants to the right. Let's do that real quick. Who do I need to move to the left side? Ask yourself. Variables, letters, that makes it a little easier. Variables. Sir, we need to move the -6. You're right. Got to move that -6 over. Don't forget this is negative. When it moves over, it becomes +6. I'm going to put a plus sign because that's a positive 64. Cross it out. Someone needs to go over there. Who do I move? Sir, it's a positive 48. Good job. Don't forget when I move that positive 48, that becomes a negative 48. Cross it out. And now let's read 6x plus 64. What's 6x plus 64? 6 plus 64. Count with your fingers, you're not sure. Got 64, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. Boom. 70x. It's a pretty big number. Don't get scared. Right here, this is the part I was talking about. Make sure you read -22 minus 48. -2 minus 48, put in your calculator. Remember, I'll put it in the TI later. Hopefully I can find the link. That should give you -7. Last step, we need to divide. Boom, boom. So there's two 70s. Don't forget, I told you, I said, if you're not sure, just take the number that's in front of the variable, the letter, and you should be good to go. There's the variable, 70's in front. I'm going to use that, 70. 70. 70 divided by 70 is 1x. -70 divided by 70, use your calculator, -1 equals, take away that 1, x equals -1. Boom. I'm going to do one more video with a longer problem just for practice. If you feel confident, go ahead and do the Get More Math. I think you only have to do 5 points today. That's not too bad. And then the mini quiz. Okay? If you have any questions, remember you can ask me questions during my office hours, tutoring for any additional help, and I'll be there if you need it. Next video.